what's up, student? It's Mr. Nation and Little Players. Welcome to the Nayful Podcast. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. We have Utobani on my right, and on my left we have. Yeah, the left no right, bra. The denim gang called. Name thing about Balang. Oh, okay, now left. Okay, now right. And then on my left we have Usmesh Masheka. Makalik Buliso and Nguban.
Holla to the players. Smash is in the building. Yeah, we're just here to chop something up.
Have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
And then to one.
Ndiyanibulisa nonke egameni lenkosi.
Yesu Christ.
Greetings to all the viewers. Players. Greetings to all the players. Yeah, we're back for 10 out of 10.
Yep. Ilang man kuban lang.
38 degrees Celsius.
She has a bag. Okay, sure. So our subject for today, the first person we're gonna be talking about for Lieutenant of 10, Casper, Nyovest, Refilo, Bafanak,
Pool.
Refilo Mayele Pulu.
Yeah,
Refilo Mayele Pulu from Mafike.
From Maftown. It's been in the game for close to 15 years now, active, dropping hits. He's done a lot, man. Went to USA.
Dropped his debut album in 2014.
Yes, debut album.
It's what? How many years?
Tsolofelo. From Tsolofelo, I'm Refilo.
Yeah.
From Refilo, I'm Tuto.
Yeah.
From Tuto, I'm Too Short.
Sweet and short.
Yeah, Sweet and Short, yes. Then Pinbang Sweet and Short, USB. Then Bengo Any Minute Now, if I'm not mistaken. Any minute now,
oh yeah, Nyansi.
Then from Any Minute Now, Ibengu Leno 018. Look up Chinkamala.
Album Leaga single.
Oh,
Nyansi, big album.
Tulufelo, Refilo, Mututo, Sweet and Short, Any Minute Now.
Then Bane Solomon,
yeah. Short 2.0.
Yes.
Solomon,
the last offering, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Solomon. So, ukwana ku top 5 yako?
In Zanzibar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ukwana ku top 5?
About Casper?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to think.
Like Jan, when you think, yeah.
There's nothing he hasn't done, okay?
There's nothing he hasn't done.
Yeah. And his catalog is strong.
He deserves his flowers.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with you, and then you, and then you. Ingoma yake oyiniga 1 out of 10, 1 out of 10, nakomza 1 out of 10.
Okay.
Yo, but this is gonna be tricky. Okay. Boy, yeah, point guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, point guy.
No, do I say
one? I don't think it can not one because probably I have not listened to it on high rotation, but I did it to one.
Okay.
That's why I'm like, now I was gonna ask. You give it 1 out of 10, you don't explain, you just pass. But you give it 1 out of 10.
And then it actually say why.
And then
Yeah, depends. If you are so true, sana, you can explain. Unayo strike as 3 so I explain. Then as 7.
Explain it.
Yes.
I'm not the reason why in the booze. I want to rate something because I'm a hater. I would rate it and then
give you a
reason why.
Okay,
because
sure.
I hate
What's yours?
1 out of 10.
My 1 out
Number
of 10
one,
from Casper. 1 out of 10 one from Casper is the song. Zipip.
Serious? Why?
For me, it's like it's a song I've heard before.
Nah.
It does not sound special.
For me, even
though a whole lot of people love it.
I'm gonna get some slack.
Limpit.
Oh, baby girl.
Okay, wait, guys. Mine is No Worries.
No worries.
Yeah.
No worries.
Le anxibe ngathi ngubheki kuyo phethe lawe menga no worries.
And it's not that it's a bad song. It's just that hey,
he was trying I dance hall, Latipe dance hall. My born my seven zanga pinda benengome ilawe.
Hayi
Kum ilea kuwe ngubaby girl.
Oh man. Yo.
Okay, wait. What kind of Casper do you like when? Do you like the hit maker? Do you like the introspective? Do you like the?
I like the introspective Casper.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite Casper.
It's a bit of a combination, ne? Umzekelo, my first song I've ever loved ka Casper in your verse, go I hope you bought it.
Okay.
Which is sort of like introspective Casper, that one.
Introspective Casper, and then the album Yake Casper that I would the album Yake Casper that I would say for me Ian Denzela. It has to be Tuto, Any Minute Now for me. Those two.
Yeah, any minute now in Tuto. Tuto will always be my number one.
Tuto, Any Minute Now.
Then Fako Refilo number 3.
Any Minute Now for me, Casper is like he's pouring
his heart out. Yeah.
And my favorite song there has to be
Confused.
Go Any Minute Now.
I wasn't ready for you.
Go Tuto
Tuto. I wasn't ready for you.
I wasn't ready for you. My favorite song, Pago Any Minute Now, Egyptian Cotton.
Oh, you.
Yo, yeah.
Egyptian Cotton.
And the sound, man, Any Minute Now is so
uyabona la ngoma.
distinct.
Uyabona la ngoma le ina za posthumous recordings zika Pro. Yo, bra. That album for me, Any Minute Now. Hi. Na. Even to whom it may concern.
Okay. Masingathethe isdala. So
number one. Yeah.
Kuwe nguNatsika nguTsipip and then No Worries.
Yeah.
Now 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10 for me ngu 018.
What? Yo!
018. Reason why. Lana bensizwe ndiyafuna explain. Reason why. He chopped his style ska Pop Smoke like 100% real. It's like.
But he said so.
Yeah.
He said that he was inspired by him for that song.
But for me, it was like, for me, Kuyo, it didn't sound like yena. I didn't connect with it. Where's Noma Clara nae, it's that song for me. It's
Yo, I love that song. Yo, 2 out of 0. You are top 10.
Yeah.
Boy, number 2. I think let me reorder on the list. Zero, no worries. Then number 2.
1 out of 10.
Yo man, 1 out of 10. No worries.
Okay.
Number 2, Ibangu Baby Girl. Because Baby Girl is not a bad song. It's just that I think Dima Melemva say overhyped and people love that song. People in fact still today people love that song. And for me it's but yeah, that's my number 2.
Okay. Number 2 I'm going Candlelight.
Man.
Candlelight.
Nah,
I interpret aka no Costa.
When and yes, I can remember.
No, like man, for all that has happened between the two of them, and that being the tribute, and it not, I don't know, man. Ingati, it and the husband, there's a missing piece, kuyo, and the husband alone. If you look at AKA car. Focus like angene deep things they don't usually say in interviews and
yeah,
because they think if
you feel it's shallow,
if
the roles were reversed.
Yes. Ubezoyichaza banga nakalamini kwawenzeke into ethile like ubuzoyirelieve la moment yonke yabo but I'm understanding by it's a matured Casper, coming from pressure, he
Doesn't
has to
want to
say
seem
something.
insensitive.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I get it. But it's because ezilandelayo, in fact, it's just that ezilandelayo I don't usually go back to Candlelight. You must Candlelight ke Casper. Yeah. Natsani khele endlini andikhe ndithi andikhe ndizifakele Candlelight. 3 out of 10.
Okay, my 3 out of 10. That's why I had Langoma Atimo State.
Oh,
Atimo State. Nah, I'm lost with the concept. For me, production. Yeah, for me,
Hasimo State.
Wena uyikhangela
Ndizamukhangela.
Atimo State.
No, ndiyamazi but
Ali pha Langoma zangandenzele pha.
Ali Keys.
Hayi zangandenzele pha. Normally Ali Keys no Casper. But that one
Ilesa nophuma.
Guess who's back, baby? Guess who's back, baby?
I feel like he just made a song so that he.
Yeah,
like again, it goes back to the way, but I love more the reflective, introspective Casper, and I don't get the gist of the song. Like, visuals I so wish that the song, if you could have made the Bentley Coupe. Imagine if those visuals were for. I feel as if there are good songs that Casper could have made music videos for, and whoever does the production for music videos, they cook them, especially recently. But I think my number 3 is Guess Who's Back.
Okay. My number 3 is featuring something so.
Ndimamela nge-mistake xa ndimamele i-album yonke ndithi ngayo.
But Shamuti about Something Soweto. But man, Something Soweto is a big artist, brah. And they ask about I'm
grand. Even for Casper.
I think two album Something Soweto.
The thing sometimes, I don't want to lie. It really takes away the size of an artist or the mantra that the artist will have if an artist has to recite an existing song. For instance, we are gonna go Destiny. It takes away because now you will end up comparing.
Okay.
For me, that's how I feel.
Yeah.
Because something so I felt something so could have done more.
Much.
Original song. Not
To such a point that I'm man about to routine of something so you
when okay. 4 out of 10. Since I was
my 4 out of 10 ka Casper langoma 428 to LA leyake no Casey Riches.
Yeah.
What I feel, that song could have been perfect, but there's something that is just missing there.
Okay.
Yeah, production yangoma grand. Casey Riches is okay, but Casper didn't own the song.
I can't wait to tell it off
that is how I felt.
Okay, where?
4 out of 10. Khona malangoma. I think I answer going to Coca-Cola with someone.
No, Lena or Jason Derulo.
Tina khona man.
Yakhumbula ngoma World Cup.
Saya noma kodwa
World Cup.
Coke Ndondon. Kodwa I think I Coke Ndondon.
I'm go Baby Girl.
Can feel it.
Baby Girl, give me
Number 4.
Number 4. Yeah.
Otherwise, grand. It's just that you're like Casper mncamlayo. So I cammed baby girl lose Poland, which I can't be wrong.
Yeah, I should.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 out of 10.
Okay. Now my number
50-50
my
no.
number 5. My 50-50 song ka Casper Nyovest kusiyathanda.
50-50.
That's my 50-50 song ka Casper Nyovest kusiyathandana. Ne? The reason why I would say ngusiyathandana.
Ingoma encanywayo le.
The reason why I would say ilangoma ne. Phayana uno Abidoza. No Ali Keys on production. Uno Casper. Uno Bush. Everything was supposed to be perfect. I don't know why kukhona into enanze.
Yeah, it's a soul
langoma. Langoma iya
Lengoma
switcha.
ngithetha ngayo it's soul, yeah.
Okay.
Iya switcha langoma.
That's what.
Xa uyimamela langoma in a moment.
So remember as a rapper, it was not made for rappers.
In a moment where ibe ngathi it's down and then lamntana kumaniqalela kanje. Kum gulamntana who carried the song.
More than Casper.
Yeah. But the production, that's why in Session City, Ali Keys, Abidoza, then go Casper ngubuhle. So you would expect a fire song, but now ilapha phakathi. That's why ndibeka phakala 50-50. Ilapha phakathi. Imandi, but not the way you would expect ingoma enaba bantu bayi-2.
Sure.
I get you.
When about 5 out of 10.
5. Wow. Hallelujah. It's from I think it's is it on Tuto Kanyeko Refill, I think. Hallelujah.
Okay, 5 out of 10 ku refill. Ingoma le ngo refill. Thina mama akhe notatakhe kuyo.
Yo, 5. Okay, 5.
Hayi ntswamla ngoma. I can't detain. It's just that as long as inye siziforce landelayo. Zithanda ngempezwayo. Anasikhalazo igrand la ngoma.
5 out of 10.
It was between yena no Americans, but it's overused man leweka Americans. I think udala wayithetha nalo Asimo States more. Go Americans, Asimo States more is a funk version ga Americans. Yeah. So yeah. 4 out of 10.
6 out of.
Huh?
6 out of 10.
You yes, 6 out of 10.
My 6 out of
Ay, ngalo
10.
ngalilo.
My 6 out of 10. This song I love it, man. My 6 out of 10 of Nagle Casper Ali Keys. Ne? They always give bangers for me. Kumba combo grand. Push through the pain.
Oh, push through the pain.
Push through the pain.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice song.
Yeah,
It's
so
a nice song.
that song for me, I have nothing against it. But I feel it's not a 10.
Okay.
So let me give it a 6.
From now on, Zikred, from 5. Siyazingoma sezincanywayo right through. Yeah, because
Yo,
6 out of 10.
kunzima for me to decide. What? 6 out of 10.
Kuba ngom 6 out of 10.
Kuba nokho 6 out of 10. Yo, I love that song.
Anyway.
Very heavy.
Yo,
It's a heavy day.
you. Angena natsika uBlack Thought ba. No. I need
Yo.
therapy professional. Who's getting money
Limp
up in joke?
Yeah. Akusoba ku-10 ndiyamncanywa but yeah.
Mpitsi reply.
Yeah.
Reply. Okay.
Beats certified.
7 out of 10. Okay, you win a song.
My 7 out of 10. Man, it's the first song I've ever loved, Casper Nyovest.
I hope you bought it.
I hope you bought it.
Okay.
I hope you bought it. I give it 7 because there are other 3 songs that I believe.
Now the next 3 songs. Yeah.
Andilose zininzi ingxaki mani endiqoma yabona ezi zi-fighting champions zabo. So Current City, Bentley Coupe.
That's a good
Yeah.
It's it's a good song. 7 out of 10 kum Superman.
Oh, okay.
Superman.
Yeah, balele time yakhe. Yeah.
Yeah.
my 8 out of 10.
8 out of
I'm,
10.
I'm conflicted.
Eh.
But I love how Uboskasi handles the song. Move for me.
And the song doesn't get old. Yeah.
The way and the music video. The music video being shot in Mpumalanga, the way they showcased it, I'm like, yeah, man.
Yeah.
This is
even the sound itself.
Yeah, that is the Casper that my industry bought into. After that, Yakumbula, Wabai Ambassador, SA Tourism.
Yeah.
That because of the way the video was shot, this is what I always say. Cloud Sense is something that is meaningful.
Yeah. People will come. What? It's a battle now. What?
Yeah, it's a battle now. 8 out of 10 because I 3. You will help me choose between the 3. Because 8 out of 10 I hope you bought it. Kushesh.
Yeah. And our bias that I hope you bought it.
Okay.
Puma game, I'm not sure that Puma again.
Yeah, man, there's something that is messing up. Oh man, go Bentley Coupe, man. Sorry, 8 out of 10, go Bentley Coupe. As 9 out of 10.
As a sad of Oh,
Bentley Coupe,
8 out of 10. Mama, I made it.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Mama, man.
Yeah.
Mama. Okay, I get it.
Oh. Yeah.
9 out of 10.
And I'm conflicted. 9 out of 10. My 9 out of 10. If I make a decision, there's a song that I automatically must move it to 10.
Yeah.
9 out of 10. I have 3 options for Magugu. 9 out of 10. I have 3 options. Okay. 9 out of 10. 1 of 1. Personally, for me, I feel that song. 1 out of 1. Zongas goma kumzingu 9 probably any minute now.
Okay.
1 out of 1, and then another song and the Konda for me nobody knows. And then the third one, production here and then Zanbenshia, Noctula.
Yeah, even the music.
The way Ubusiswa no Casper connect. It's ye feature. Not even in my wildest dreams I would think it would happen.
Yeah.
So what's the 3?
Okay.
I don't know how. I don't know which one to pick.
Yeah.
I don't know which one to bring. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Une artist that I love so much. Youngster CPT. We youngster in each and every song. We youngster dimtanele way one. It's not that unso but we bring an originality. Do you understand that a beat must change because of how raw it is? Yeah. So 1 out of 1, nobody knows. Mama ga Noctul.
Okay.
Egyptian cotton. Boy, isn't it? 9 out of 10. There's a song. Go refill. I think we'll be there. Refill.
Okay.
Yeah, I love that song. And there's a song that he never released. I think he released it as a single. It's Pressure.
Okay. Yeah, I think they won.
Yeah, I know you're feeling the pressure. Yeah, I think those 3 can be my number 9s.
Hey, Blake, I change caps. Oh, okay. 10 out of 10. Ngoma Casper. Oh, imam ezama ndiphinde ndichaze. Kuphuma Kim. Phuma Kim unalahanga, fresh. uCasper is the in thing thethwa ngaye everywhere. Uqonda maka address name. Esibini, I hope you bought it. Still Hunger, authentic. I think album A1 man, no kusheshe, album A1.
Yeah, album A1, yeah.
So
it's 10.
I couldn't need you.
Okay, my 10 out of
10 song of Casper Nyovest.
10 out of 10. Production by Ezra. The song features the legendary Anthony Hamilton.
Yo.
The song is called Egyptian Cotton.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
The song is called Egyptian Cotton. I wanna if Bamba the nobody towel Egyptian Cotton. When I'm listening to that
it feels
song,
like it.
It feels like it. It feels like
Boah. Yo, 10 out of 10. Yeah, it can't be just one song. Egyptian cotton with the missing number 9 most.
It's
perfect.
So
Yeah.
close Egyptian cotton.
Yo, I got to credit Egyptian cotton. That.
Production yayo. Ezra handled it.
Yabona esinye style esika omnye uCasper ndimthandayo. Ngula Casper oku. Is it his song ulanduka u Ayeye?
Ngathi ka let's say ayingo le DJ somebody. Ayingo DJ somebody.
Ne.
Kanye busy ngome wrong.
Yayibona kodwa Ayeye.
I'm not sure.
Kubani kana nansi khathi candy
I
khangela.
don't get that song
I
in my mind. I don't get it.
lelo lithi makayikhangela because I don't wanna. 10 out of 10. 1 of 1 ka Casper Nyovest.
I love his
That's a 10
style.
out of 10.
Hayi mina amshebeleza. Dak shebeleza.
Yeah.
Shebeleza.
Unyanisile.
Da,
Yeah,
da,
I know
Shebeleza.
Dr. Shebeleza.
Bruh.
Noba uvukhala phina anoze ndimskiphe uDr. Shebeleza.
Ujonga mamela uDok Shebeleza ukhele bucks this time ke ngoku sebephumile abantu ku Casper sebengena ku MT kukhala ke ngoku ezingoma zika MT zakhaliso kukhala roll up now ke transition ansakhumbula ku DJ aba kodwa wena bra
Yeah. No. Ayi nguDr. Shebeleza.
mamela kwanje
Yo.
3 years later kuMutsepe Foundation wayiperforma eBeachfront kwesa
Yo. Wayiperforma la
Mamela.
ngoma even na Claway.
ku Jay-Z
Claway ya
kuyo Jay-Z
Boah.
then ngabona performance yakhe kwi-dome performa la
Yo.
That's a song. That song is.
I know Dr. Shebeleza. I know
one
that.
my 10 out of 10 song ka Casper Nyovest nguDok Shebeleza
And ayikho competitor yeah.
Is it because of the hype the hype it got, the play it receives? Okay,
For me,
why?
I love the song. It's the energy. It's the fact that it's timeless for me. If for me, uDok Shebeleza ngambeka close to a league yo landuka kuthiwa bale ngoma. Hibari.
yeah
Most people know that song and very rare uba kuzawuthiwa hibari uqoma khadlule lento.
Rajonga la ngoma ungayimamela usendleleni ungamamela usendlini ungamamela uhleli nabantu ungamamela ujoga ungayimamela naphi
Energizer leya.
Dak Shebeleza that song is the I think one of the first songs eyaphuma ku data file host yafumana 1 million downloads
Yeah. So-called data file host.
Dithi yeah uCasper ukhupha screenshot soba guys uDok Shebeleza has received million downloads 1 million things that we never thought.
On a slightly different note, people should give Casper Nyovest his flowers while he's still alive, while he's still riding the wave. Yeah. The guy has revolutionized even the industry, even the way that people distribute music. The guy, I know I'm going to guys, even in terms of moving around business-wise. Yeah. He has made music, it's music business, to make sense.
Yeah.
Who would have thought of going and filling up a dome before Casper? Say what you will about Tuba Mhlambe, you don't like his style aside,
People were
he's
afraid.
those type
Both
of
people are
rappers.
still afraid.
To flop in that
Yo.
regard. Casper Man has done a lot of things that we never thought we would see on a South African artist and has succeeded Kolondo and has given us Indoyoti.
And he's
We
one
can
of the
do it,
artists
it's
who's
possible.
legitimized the hip hop.
Yeah.
Inguye, AKA.
Koyika.
They legitimized the industry even to commercial, to corporate, to say, actually, we can plant in this thing.
So what did you say was your 10 out of 10 song, Casper?
Egyptian cotton.
Egyptian culture.
Egyptian cotton, wena?
I don't dispute Dr. Shebeleza. I agree with you.
Umbeki wena ndawo umshebeleza.
Egyptian cotton.
Oh, okay.
I'm not changing.
Okay. See you episode elandelayo. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like siyenza so 3. But I don't know. But hopefully we can be able to do this now with second episode, now with third. Let's agree.
Yeah.
Second episode go empty on Nestle.
Nice to see.
Nice to see.
Yeah.
See you episode like Nice to see. We are out.